Welcome to the VAST Challenge 2023, where our team, HeronGPT, composed of 3 high school students, 3 graduate students with diverse backgrounds, and 3 advisors, embarks on a journey of self-learning and discovery. When it comes to data visualization, none of our team members have prior experience. With limited programming experience, we harness the power of ChatGPT to tackle Mini Challenge 3. ChatGPT acts as a virtual mentor and creative companion that aids our team throughout the various stages of our journey. With its ability to comprehend and generate, ChatGPT becomes an invaluable tool in both learning and project development.
Now we present the general process for our GPT-based approach. Here's a diagram of our workflow. To begin, we present the problem and ask for directions to find solutions. At this stage, we provide the context of our data and receive suggestions on possible analyses to conduct and visuals to create. Then, we choose one direction and ask for steps of execution through code. Here, we also actively tune the answer and debug. Here are some of the common error types. Finally, we end up with 2 results. First, an executable code, and second, the conversation thread that can now be continued or extrapolated in cases such as when we want to perform similar analyses. Using plugins like Notable will also alter our workflow, as they enable us to interact with GPT differently. Now, we will talk about the specific ways in which we utilized it.
First, we use ChatGPT to process data. Using its natural language processing abilities to categorize and group companies with similar text descriptions, we classified each company and its description to a corresponding NAICS code, the standard used by federal statistical agencies in classifying business establishments. This introduces our first lesson in interacting with GPT. Due to its pre-2021 only data library, it can only give the 2017 NAICS code. Because of the size of the data, ChatGPT's API was used in the Python script to classify company descriptions instead of manually inputting them.
GPT also assisted us in the creative processes, as it is capable of both generating code and walking users through a process to explain how it works. Conversation threads include a Python script that implements a workflow, addressing various aspects such as data pre-processing, feature extraction, clustering, and visualization, which can serve as a starting point for learners and data scientists. The conversations also address common challenges such as handling Unicode characters, specifying encodings, and optimizing runtime. These insights can help learners and data scientists troubleshoot similar issues they may encounter in their own projects. As the video shows, our jitter plot was created entirely from this process, and we were able to identify anomalies from it.
Using plugins enables a more direct usage of ChatGPT, the direct visualization and interpretation of data with the use of the Notable plugin. Simply write appropriate prompts and instructions for GPT, include a link to the dataset to be analyzed, and view and tweak a generated Notable notebook. To enhance our understanding and facilitate effective analysis of the data involved in this challenge, we created a comprehensive chart. This chart lists all the metrics relevant to the calculations performed throughout the competition. We meticulously linked each calculation with the corresponding metrics involved, enabling us to observe the interconnectedness between the calculated results and the generated visualizations.
Ultimately, we hope our experiences may inspire other students and data scientists, as we have constructed a roadmap of human-GPT interaction in assisting the workflow of data visualization. However, it is essential when acknowledging the progress of AI to be mindful of its limitations. The many errors and inefficiencies we encountered taught us that it is still crucial to exercise critical thinking and human judgment in evaluating and refining the outputs generated by these systems.